Now let us discuss about knapsack problem strategies. In order to solve the knapsack problem, there are three strategies or all feasible solutions of the knapsack problem. So first let's see the knapsack problem. So let n objects are given. Each object has a profit Pi, weight Wi. So first object profit is P1, weight is W1. Second object profit is P2, weight is W2, likewise. Next, a knapsack or bag is given. So knapsack is nothing but bag only. The weight of the knapsack is denoted by M. The weight or capacity or the size of the knapsack is denoted by M. Here our major aim is in order to fill the knapsack with maximum profit. So we have to place the objects in the knapsack with maximum profit. Here the knapsack solution vector is denoted by xi. Xi ranges from 0 to 1. If an object is placed in the knapsack, then xi value is 1. Whereas if an object is not placed in the knapsack, then xi value is 0. Whereas let us assume that the capacity of the object is 40 kg, whereas the remaining size of the knapsack is 20 kg. So we can't place 40 kg of the object in 20 kg of the knapsack. So in that occasion we can place only fraction. So here the formula is the remaining size of the knapsack by actual weight of the object. So 20 by 40 means 1 by 2. So we can place only half of the object in the knapsack. So that's why this problem can also be called as fractional knapsack also. So we can place the entire object, or we can't place the object, or we can place only the fraction of the object in the knapsack. So with maximum profit, just we need to place the object. So in order to calculate the maximum profit, the formula is sigma pi xi. So here the value of I ranges from 1 to n. So p1 x1 plus p2 x2 likewise. So here we have totally three strategies. Strategy 1 is maximum profit first. Strategy 2 is minimum weight first. Strategy 3 is profit by weight ratio. Profit by weight ratio decreasing order. So strategy 3 is the best one. So now let's see all the strategies one by one. So strategy 1. So what is strategy 1? Maximum profit first. So arrange all the objects in decreasing order based on the profit. So decreasing order means first we have to write the maximum value. The last one is nothing but minimum value. So based on the profit. So let us observe the profits. Here we have 5 profits. So what is the maximum profit? 66. So 66 is nothing but third object profit. So P3, 66. Next, 60. 60 is nothing but fifth object profit. So after 60, what is the maximum value? 40. So 40 means fourth object. Next, second object, 30. So P2. So next, first object, P1. So 20. So likewise arrange the weights also. So W3, W5, W4, W2, W1. So what is W3? 30. 66, 30. Next, what is W5? W5 means last one. 60, 50. Next, what is W4? W4 means 40, 40. 40. Next, what is W2? 20. W1, 10. Here a problem is given. So for this problem, we have to find out all the strategies as well as we have to find all the feasible solution. What is a feasible solution? Here we have two solutions, feasible solution and optimal solution. Feasible solution means a solution which is satisfying the constraints of a problem. Here what is the constraint of the problem? We have to place the object in the knapsack with maximum profit. So with some profit we have to place the object. So in order to solve this problem we have three feasible solutions. Whereas optimal solution means best solution. So out of all the solutions, so the solution which is having maximum profit. So that is nothing but optimal solution. So let us see strategy 1. Here we have a knapsack. So what is the size of the knapsack? Here n is 5. Let us assume that size of the knapsack is 100 kg. So 100 kg. So first we have to place maximum profit first. So what is the first object? So third object is having maximum profit. Here we need to place weight, not the profit. So what is third object weight? 30. So 30. So if you place 30 kg of the object in the knapsack, then what is the remaining weight? So previously the original weight is 100. So remaining capacity means 100 minus 30. So 100 minus 30 means 7. So here what is the object? W, third object. If an object is placed in the knapsack, then what is xi value? 1. So x3 equal to 1. Third object is placed. Next, fifth object. Fifth object is having maximum profit. What is fifth object weight? 50. So place 50 in the knapsack. Then what is the remaining size? 70 minus 50 means 20. So now what is x5 value? x5 value is 1. Next, which object? Fourth object. What? Fourth object. What is fourth object weight? 40. But we can't place 40 kg of the object in 20 kg of the knapsack. Okay. So x4 equal to remaining size of the knapsack. What is the remaining size of the knapsack? 20. 20 by actual weight of the object. What is the actual kg of the object? Actual weight of the object is 40. So 20 by 40 means 1 by 2. So what is x4 value? 1 by 2. So now we can say that the knapsack is empty. So previously what is the size of the knapsack? 20 kg. So here what is third object weight? 40. So 40 in 40 what is half? 20. So that 20 kg is placed in the knapsack. So now we can say that the knapsack is empty. So what are the remaining objects? x2, x1. So we can't place x2 in the knapsack. So x2 is 0. Next we can't place x1 in the knapsack. So x1 is 0. So what is the solution vector now? Solution vector means x1, x2, x3 likewise. x1 value is 0, x2 value is 0, x3 value is 1, x4 is 1 by 2 or 0.5. It is your choice. x5 value is 1. Now we have to calculate the profit. For profit, what is the formula? PIXI. So sigma PIXI. So this is the formula for calculating maximum profit. So P1 into x1 plus P2 into x2 likewise. So what is P1? 20. So 20 into 0. That is nothing but 0. Next what is P2? 30. 30 into x2 is 0. So 30 into 0, 0. Next what is P3? 66. 66 into 1, 66. Next what is P4? 40. 40 into what is x4? 1 by 2. 40 into 1 by 2 means 20. Next what is P5? 60. x5 1. So 60 into 1 means 60. So 66 plus 60, 126. 126 plus 20, 146. So 146 is strategy 1 profit. So this is one feasible solution. So likewise we have two more feasible solutions. Now let's see the second strategy. Now let's see second strategy. Strategy 2. Strategy 2 means minimum weight first. Minimum weight first. So that means arrange the objects in increasing order based on the weight. First strategy is maximum profit first. Second strategy is minimum weight. So first we have to write minimum weight object. So that is 10, next 20, 30, 40, 50. Already the objects are in minimum order only. So there is no need to arrange them. Okay. So now let's place the objects in the knapsack. So here the actual size of the knapsack is 100. Minimum weight. So already all the objects are in minimum weight fashion only. So if they are not in minimum weight fashion, then we need to rearrange them. So first we have to place object 1 into the knapsack. Why? Because object 1 is having minimum weight. So what is first object weight? 10. So what is x1 value now? x1 equal to 1. So what is the remaining capacity of the knapsack? 100 minus 10, that is 90. Next to place second object in the knapsack. What is the second object weight? 20. So second object means, so x2 equal to 1. So 90 minus 20 means 70. So the remaining capacity of the knapsack is 70. Next to place third object into the knapsack. Third object weight is 30. So the remaining capacity, so 30, third object means x3 equal to 1. The remaining capacity of the knapsack is 70 minus 30, that is 40. Next to place fourth object. So fourth object means 40. Fourth object weight is 40. So x4 is 1. So what is the remaining capacity of the knapsack? 40 minus 40, that is 0. So actually the original capacity of the knapsack is 100, whereas first four objects weight are 40, 70, 100. So now the knapsack is empty. So we can't place fifth object into the knapsack. So x5 equal to 0. So what is the solution vector now? x1 is 1, x2 is 1, x3 is 1, x4 is 1, x5 is 0. Now calculate the profit. What is the formula? P1 into x1 plus P2 into x2 likewise. So what is P1? 20. What is x1? 1. So 20 into 1, 20. P2, 30. x2, 0, 1, 1. So 30. Next to P3, 66. Weight. x3, 1, 66. Next 40. Next to 60 into 0, 0. So add these values. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 plus 16, 116. 50, 40, 20 plus 30 means 50. 50 plus 40 means 90. 90 plus 66 means 156. So 156 is the maximum profit. So if you use strategy 1, then maximum profit is 146. If you use strategy 2, then the maximum profit is 156. Now let's see strategy 3. This is the best strategy. So we will use this strategy only in order to solve the problem, in order to find the optimal solution, or for writing the algorithm. Just we will use third strategy only. So strategy 3. Strategy 3 means arrange the objects in decreasing order. Decreasing order. Decreasing order based on the profit by weight ratio. Based on profit by weight ratio. So now here we have to calculate profit by weight ratio. Here profits are given, weights are given. So now let us calculate profit by weight ratio. So Pi by W, Wy. So 20 by 10 means 2. 30 by 20 means 1.5. 66 by 30 means, so 32s are 60, 1 more 6, so 2.2. Next 40 by 40 means 1. 60 by 50 means 0, 0 will be cancelled. So 1.2, 1.2. So now we have to arrange this in decreasing order. So decreasing order means, so first we have to write maximum value. Next, minimum value. So here what is the maximum value? Based on the profit and weight ratio. Here the maximum value is 2.2. So 2.2 means third object. So third object profit weight is larger. Next, after 2.2, what is the maximum value? 2. 2 means first object. So first object profit weight means P1 W1. Next, after 2, the maximum value is 1.5. So 1.5 means second object. So P2 W2. Next, 1.2. 1.2 means fifth object. Next, fourth object. P4 by W4. Now let us solve the problem. So what is the size of the knapsack? 100 kg. So first we have to place third object in the knapsack. What is the third object? Third object weight is 30. So 100 minus 30 means 70. So what is x3 value? 1. Next we have to place first object. First object weight is 10. So x1 value is 1. 70 minus 10 means 60. Next to place second object. Second object weight is 20. So x2 is equal to 1. 60 minus 20 means 40. Next, fifth object. But what is fifth object weight? 50. We can't place 50 kg of the object in 40 kg of the knapsack. So what is x5 now? x5 equal to remaining size of the knapsack, that is 40, by actual weight of the object. What is fifth object weight? 50. So 40 by 50 means 4 by 5. 4 by 5 means 0.8. We can write it as 0.8 or 4 by 5 also. So now the knapsack is empty. Why? Because this in 50, what is 4 by 5? What is 4 by 4? 4 by 5 fraction of 50. That is 4 by 5 into 50. So 5 into 10, 10. 10 into 4, 40. So that is placed here. So now the knapsack is empty. So we can say that knapsack is empty. So we can't place this fourth object in the knapsack. So x4 is 0. So what is the solution vector now? What is x1? 1. What is x2? 1. What is x3? 1. What is x4? 0. What is x5? 4 by 5 or 0.8. Now let us calculate the profit by maximum profit. So maximum profit. So P1 into x1. So 20 into 1, 20. Plus 30 into 1, 30. Plus 66 into 1, 66. Next to P4, 40 into 0. Next to P5, 60 into this is 4 by 5. 60 into 4 by 5 means 5 12s. 12 into 4, 48. Let us add these values. So 20 plus 30, 50. 50 plus 66, 116. 116 plus 48, 164. So if you see here, if you see strategy 1, we got maximum profit as 146. If you see strategy 2, 156 is the maximum profit. If you see strategy 3, 164 is the maximum profit. So we can say that out of all the 3 strategies, or out of all the feasible solutions, the best solution is strategy 3. Okay. So what is strategy 3? Arrange objects in decreasing order based on the profit by weight. So the examination you may get question like this. So a problem will be given and find out all the feasible solutions. So there are 3 feasible solutions. Feasible solution means a solution which is satisfying the constraint. So we need to place the objects in the knapsack. So we have 3 feasible solutions or 3 strategies. Whereas best strategy or optimal solution. What is optimal solution? Best solution. Here the best solution means the solution which is giving the best maximum profit. That is 164. So strategy 3 is the best one. Why? Because it is giving more profit. Okay.